Welcome to this groundbreaking course. I'm excited to introduce your instructors, Ernani and Gilmar, who will be your guides in exploring the world of AI in recruitment that will enable a boost in your productivity up to 24 times. Let's get to know your expert instructors and dive into an overview of the course.
Hello everyone, my name is Ernani. With 13 years of recruitment and HR expertise, I've had the privilege of working across various multinational companies. My specialization lies in the pharmaceutical and technology sectors, and I've managed teams in key markets such as the United States, Europe, and Latin America. But what excites me the most is the potential of artificial intelligence. I've utilized AI tools to maximize efficiency, and I'm thrilled to share those insights with you.
Hi, I'm Gilmar. My 11-year journey in HR and recruitment has been a fascinating one. I focus on technology and executive search at the C-level, managing large, multidisciplinary teams all across the Americas. But my background goes beyond recruitment. I have hands-on experience as a full-stack developer. I believe that blending tech know-how with traditional practice is the future of hiring. I look forward to exploring this exciting intersection with you.
In this course, we'll take a comprehensive look at how AI can be applied to recruitment practices. From screening resumes to crafting job descriptions, conducting interviews, and analyzing trends, we'll cover it all. With engaging lessons and practical exercises, we promise a rich learning experience. Here's what makes this course not just unique, but essential. Part 1. What is AI and ChatGPT? Basic principles and prompt engineering. Practical applications in recruitment. By following our innovative training method, you will unlock secrets of AI, strategies that can save hours of your time, and tools that can make your process more effective and engaging. On our website, you will find a compelling business case featuring a senior specialist recruiter from a renowned global technology corporation. Through the application of strategies and techniques we've crafted and will impart to you in this course, this recruiter magnified his efficiency by an astounding 24-fold. His success story stands as a testament to the transformative power of AI in HR processes. It's essential to underscore the prevailing sentiment in today's competitive corporate landscape, as voiced by some of the tech industry's luminaries. Microsoft's dynamic CEO, Satya Nadella, and the visionary leader of IBM, Arvind Krishna, have both iterated a salient point. The era of AI is not about machines overtaking humans. Rather, it's about humans harnessing the power of AI to outpace, outthink, and outperform. The message is clear. AI won't be replacing humans. However, individuals who adeptly wield AI as a tool will certainly outpace and replace those who remain unaware of its potential. Embrace the future with us and ensure you're on the right side of this transition.